the development of eye technology and its applications in various fields. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. From healthcare to finance to transportation, AI is being used to solve complex problems and improve human life. In this article, we will explore the development of AI technology and its applications in various fields. Introduction. AI technology has been in development for decades, but recent advances in machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing have enabled significant progress in the field. AI is now being used in a wide range of applications, from personal assistants to self-driving cars. Healthcare. AI technology is being used in healthcare to improve patient outcomes, reduce costs, and enhance the overall quality of care. Some of the key applications of AI in healthcare include medical imaging. AI-powered tools can analyze medical images to help identify and diagnose conditions such as cancer or heart disease. Electronic health records. AI can be used to analyze electronic health records to identify patterns and trends that can help improve patient care. Personalized medicine. AI can be used to analyze patient data to develop personalized treatment plans that are tailored to the individual needs of each patient. Finance. AI technology is also being used in the finance industry to improve risk management, fraud detection, and customer service. Some of the key applications of AI in finance include fraud detection. AI-powered tools can analyze transactions and identify patterns that may indicate fraud. Trading. AI can be used to analyze market data and make predictions about future trends, enabling more informed trading decisions. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots can provide customers with personalized assistance and support, improving the overall customer experience. Transportation. AI technology is being used in the transportation industry to improve safety, efficiency, and sustainability. Some of the key applications of AI in transportation include self-driving cars. AI-powered autonomous vehicles are being developed to reduce accidents and improve traffic flow. Traffic management. AI can be used to analyze traffic patterns and optimize traffic flow, reducing congestion and improving sustainability. Predictive maintenance. AI can be used to predict when maintenance is needed on vehicles, reducing downtime and improving efficiency. Education. AI technology is also being used in education to improve student outcomes and personalize learning. Some of the key applications of AI in education include adaptive learning. AI-powered tools can adapt to the individual needs of each student, providing personalized learning experiences. Grading. AI can be used to grade assignments and provide feedback to students, reducing the workload for teachers and improving the accuracy of grading. Tutoring. AI-powered tutoring systems can provide students with personalized assistance and support, improving learning outcomes. Challenges and opportunities. While AI technology presents many opportunities for improving human life, there are also several challenges that must be addressed. Some of the key challenges include ethical considerations. The development and use of AI raise ethical considerations related to issues such as privacy, bias, and the impact on employment. Technical challenges. The development and implementation of AI technology can be complex and require significant resources and expertise. Adoption and integration. The adoption and integration of AI technology into existing systems and processes can be challenging, requiring changes to workflows and the development of new skills. Despite these challenges, Technology also presents many opportunities for improving human life, including improved efficiency. I can automate repetitive tasks and processes, reducing the workload for humans and improving efficiency. Personalization. AI-powered tools can provide personalized experiences and solutions, improving outcomes for individuals. Innovation and progress. I can drive innovation and progress in a wide range of fields, leading to new discoveries and solutions to complex problems.